7 Best Ways to Clean Your Colon Naturally. We have researched the best ways to clean your colon naturally and shared them here. First of all, let's discuss why a clean stomach and colon are necessary. The human body, especially the stomach, gets polluted after the accumulation of residues of waste products. The large quantities of these residues can cause decay processes in our intestine that poison the body, lead to illness and early old age. However, our body can wisely and regularly clean itself from everything harmful that comes with food and water. But sometimes, our body won't be able to do so when we live in a poor environment, eating unhealthy food, have chronic diseases, and our lifestyle is not ideal. Then the self-cleaning process is disrupted. Occasionally, unprocessed food fragments are deposited on the walls of the stomach and, especially, in the intestine. These food fragments can stick to the walls of our colons and disrupt the normal functioning of our bowels. They can turn into toxins and harmful components which upon decomposition can poison the body. If such toxins accumulate in our large intestine in larger quantities, they can turn into fecal stones. Therefore, it becomes necessary to cleanse your stomach and colon. You can try some of the best ways to cleanse your colons naturally listed in this video. Before you apply these natural colon cleansing steps, all of the methods are normally safe. But, before you apply any of the methods to cleanse your gut, you must know that it can have a risk by not doing it properly. Some of the side effects can be nausea, vomiting, dehydration, dizziness. If any of the above symptoms appear, then immediately stop the cleanse and visit your doctor. If you already have high blood pressure, thyroid or any urinary disease patients, then we do not suggest these natural ways to cleanse your gut for you. Now let's find out the 7 best ways to clean your colon naturally. Number 1. Water. The first way to clean the intestines naturally is by drinking water and staying hydrated. By consuming lots of water and staying hydrated is a great way to maintain a healthy digestive system. It is recommended that you drink 6 to 8 glasses of water every day. The habit of drinking 1 liter of water on an empty stomach will help to keep the stomach and intestine in good condition. This will flush all unnecessary substances from the body. You can also try foods that contain high water content. These foods can be fruits and vegetables such as watermelon, tomatoes, lettuce, and celery. Number 2. Salt water. The second way to clean your gut naturally is to use salt water. If you are constipated or there is a disturbance in the digestive system, try to use this method. A study also suggests that salt water might cleanse the intestines when accompanied by certain yoga poses. Before drinking in the morning, mix 2 teaspoons of salt with warm water. If you have sea salt or Himalayan salt, it will be better. Drink water quickly on an empty stomach, and within a few minutes, you may feel the need to go to the bathroom. Do this in the morning and evening. Number 3. Lemon. Both the antioxidant content and vitamin C are good for the digestive system. Therefore, lemon can also cleanse the colon. You just have to mix the juice of 1 lemon with a little salt and honey in a glass of warm water. If you drink it on an empty stomach in the morning, the outcome will be best. This solution is not only healthy for bowel movements but also increases energy. You can also add 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice to 1 glass of apple juice. Consume it 3 to 4 times a day. Number 4. Raw vegetable juice. Taking raw vegetable juice is another best way to clean your gut. One of the keys to success in practicing how to clean the intestine is to stay away from processed foods, including cooked ones, for 1 to 2 days. Instead of filling your stomach with solid food, you can consume vegetable juice several times a day. As per the suggestions, choose green leafy vegetables that are loaded with chlorophyll. If you get bored with vegetable juices, there's nothing wrong with you occasionally accompanying it with herbal teas. Number 5. High fiber diet. Fiber is an important macronutrient but is sometimes overlooked. Fiber content can be found in healthy plant foods such as fruits, vegetables, nuts, seeds, and many more. Plants contain cellulose and fiber which help enlarge excess material in the large intestine. This method can also regulate constipation and an overactive intestine, as well as increase the bacteria that are useful as prebiotics. Make sure to eat lots of foods that are high in fiber, as these foods can help your stomach and colon become healthy. Number 6. Juices and smoothies. The juice is a well-known colon cleanser. A moderate intake of juice can be good for your health. The juice mixture contains several fiber and nutrients that are beneficial for digestion. They also hold water to help the body stay hydrated. A study in 2015 found that vitamin C is a nutrient that can help cleanse the intestines. Vitamin C can be easily found in most fruits and vegetables. Popular juices that can be used to cleanse the intestines are apple juice, lemon juice, and vegetable juice. However, some nutritionists recommend smoothies over juices for gut and overall health. Since the pulp and skin are removed when juicing, the juice contains less fiber, while smoothies have more fiber, which is useful for digestive health. Number 7. Probiotics. Adding probiotics to your diet is another colon cleanser. This natural method can also improve overall body health. You can get probiotics by taking probiotic supplements. Some foods are also high in probiotics, such as yogurt, kimchi, pickles, and other fermented foods. Probiotics provide good bacteria to the intestines with the help of fiber and resistant starch. This content will prevent inflammation, which is an important element in digestive health in the intestine. Apple cider vinegar is also considered a probiotic and can also be used as a way of cleansing the intestines. The enzymes and acids contained in apple cider vinegar can suppress bad bacteria. However, there are still no studies related to this. It is important that you keep cleansing your gut and your stomach frequently in order to maintain your health. One of the important organs in our digestive system is the intestine. If our intestines are not taken care, it will have an impact on our overall digestive system. Choose any of the methods you prefer and stay healthy. We hope you liked the video. Subscribe and give this video a thumbs up.